Hey, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Today, Mama wants to go shopping, so I'm gonna go pick her up. I'm in the market I'm kind of over winter, so I want to put all my winter decor away, incorporate some greenery. I'm not really ready to jump full into spring yet, but I'm over winter. So I'm gonna go pick up Mom, and I'm looking for some greenery and some organization bins, and I just want to see what's out there. So let me get Ollie settled and let's go shopping. If you need storage or organization bins, Big Lots has a great selection and great prices. Just love these little ottomans. I have a feeling Mom's going to be going back to Hobby Lobby buying this. Mom was telling me that this is a really popular color for the utensils, also the black. She picked up a couple. I wished I had. I think I'm going to have to go back and pick up some. As you can see from a lot of things that I'm going to be showing, any type of pottery or vase with a handle, or especially two handles, I absolutely love. Being in Hobby Lobby and looking at all the beautiful flowers, I can't wait for spring. Comment below and let me know if you guys are also over winter and ready to start incorporating some spring in your home. Alright, I am home from shopping. I had such a wonderful time. I love going shopping with my mama. So let me show you what I picked up. So we went to Big Lots first, and I picked up these little organization bins. They have the little handles on them. They're really nice, but for $2 and something each, I felt like it was a little steal. So I'm getting ready to organize my kitchen pantry and some drawers, and so I feel this would be great for like my spices. So I may have to end up going back and getting a few more. I also picked this little ceramic pot up. It was like $13.99, so it's 50% off. So I got it for $7. So I'm gonna use this to put my utensils in my kitchen. I'm really into this type color in the grays right now. My mom, I thought I'd show you this. She had bought me this for my birthday. She had picked it up for me at Hobby Lobby. I was in there today. I found these little stems that I thought would pair up so well with it. So I'm gonna kind of cut them down, put them in here. I'll probably put this on my desk. I also picked these up. These are going to go on my balcony. I picked up quite a few things for the balcony. They're so realistic looking. I just love Hobby Lobby stems. So I picked these up. They're so pretty. I have a little basket hanging on my balcony that I'm gonna put these in. They're so pretty. Also, to go with these, I picked these up. I'm getting ready to put all the winter decor away, so I feel this will be really pretty. It's not real colorful like spring, but I'm just ready for some florals. And also this monster little fern. I mean, look how realistic, so pretty. I also picked this up at Hobby Lobby. They have all their florals on sale, 50% off. This is winter, which I'm gonna be packing this away when I pack up all my winter decor. But that would be so pretty to decorate with next Christmas. So pretty. All right, well, I hope you join me for my future videos on my kitchen organization and also packing up all my winter decor, putting out what you've seen that I picked up today, plus I have some other things, and we're gonna do some more decluttering. So I have a lot of great videos coming up soon. So again, please subscribe to my channel, and I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. Bye.